Hi friends, today I am going to install PHP in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 6 and configure so that the client will be able to access the PHP page. So some of the basic requirement for PHP is you must install and configure web server, because PHP is an application software, that means programming software, which is basically used to develop web based program, and this page can be only accessed through web server. So first we need to configure our web server. In Red Hat Enterprise Linux, web server is configured using HTTPD package. So let me check whether HTTPD service is running or not. So first we need to check whether the HTTPD package is installed or not. So the command will be yum space list space httpd htdisk. So see, the HTTPD package is installed. Let me check whether HTTPD service is running or not. The command will be service httpd status. Sorry, start. It seems HTTPD service is already start. Service httpd status. Yeah, it's working fine. So I am going to access a sample web page. So we need to provide the IP address of this computer, or you can check locally by using localhost only. My web server is working fine. Now we need to install PHP. In order to install PHP, yum server should be configured. So yum install and PHP htdisk -y. This will take some time because to install PHP there is a lots of dependency which is going to be installed, and now the PHP has been installed successfully. Now next we need to check the PHP page. So we need to create a PHP sample file. So I am going to create a index.php file under /var/www/html directory. Vim var www.html and index.php. So I am writing here sample PHP configuration file. To retrieve the basic information. See, PHP, sorry, what PHP info. This will retrieve entire information about PHP and close the PHP. This much information is enough to gather the PHP information. I'm going to save this file Now we need to restart the HTTPD service HTTPD restart, and now I'm going to check whether the PHP page is able to accessible or not. So what we need to do, to open a web browser and localhost, enter. See the sample PHP file to retrieve the basic information, and it is displaying the entire configuration of PHP. So we have successfully installed PHP. In this video we have learned how to configure PHP in Red Hat Enterprise Linux. In next video we will learn how to configure Tomcat 6 Apache in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 6. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks a lot.